Creating an animation in Vids. We are learning to use digital tools to create an animation. I am successful when I can customize and layer shapes. I can duplicate and edit scenes to build the animation, and I can download my animation as a GIF file. So we are going to create an animation using Google Vids, and we're going to start off with by coming over to the shapes and inserting some shapes. We're going to do a sunset scene, so I'm going to start with my land. I'm going to make that the length of my scene. I'm going to change the colors. Nice ground. I want transparent background. And then I'm going to insert another scene shape to be the sky. But I'm just going to duplicate this one, and I'm going to go copy and Control V for paste and put that up the top here. Marry them up, but then change that to a dark color. I then need my sun, and I'm going to insert a circle, bring it over this side, make it a bit bigger, and I'm going to make it yellow with no borders. Now the sun has to sit, comes up from the horizon. So I'm going to click on the ground, right click, and I am going to tell it to order and bring forward. Sorry, I'm going to order and bring to front. And there is my first scene. I now have my first scene, and so I'm going to take my scene. At the moment, you can see that it is 5 seconds, that little dark box, and I'm going to come to the end, and I'm going to make it only 1 second long. Now that it is 1 second long, I'm going to right click. I'm going to duplicate scene. So this gives me an identical scene side by side. On this duplicated scene, I am going to take my sun and I'm going to move it slightly up, starting to come out of the horizon. And I'm going to repeat that process so that I have my sunrise to noon, and then I'm going to have my sun go into a sunset. So I'm going to duplicate scene, move, duplicate scene, move. Now that I'm moving into my sunset, the reason why I am duplicating and moving rather than doing a bulk duplication of scenes is so that I have the chance to move each one a little bit. Otherwise, then I'm going to have to marry them into that semicircle. So I'm now moving into my sunset, duplicate that, come down, duplicate that scene, and come down. So now if I go back to the beginning of my slides, my scenes, I can press play here. And what this means is I can either shorten the length of my scenes to make it go faster, or I can insert a lot more in between to make it not as jumpy. So now that we have our animation built, we need to download our animation. And we come up to the File menu, and we go Download GIF Animation. It's going to prepare the download and download to the device. You need to keep the window open so that it can generate your GIF file. I have now gone to my file picker and I have inserted the GIF file into this scene. You can use this GIF file in websites, you can use it in slide decks, but now you have a customized GIF file for whatever purpose you need.